It's winter here in WA, and although we're rugging up inside, there's still plenty to do outside in your garden. Here are a few ideas for you to do in your garden in June. Winter is the perfect time to think ahead in your garden, so why not invest in some bare-rooted roses? Although they have no foliage or flowers, in a few weeks your garden will be transformed. Make sure you soak the roots of your roses for a day before you plant them to ensure they don't dry out. When planting your bare-rooted roses, ensure you choose a full sun position with well-drained soil. Avoid fertilising until spring when the roses become established with new growth. My all-time favourite is the angel face rose with its dusty pink colour and beautiful fragrance. If you've got room underneath your roses, why not plant some ground covers such as the Myoporum, the native viola, and my favourite, the pratia. It has a dense growth habit, tiny little flowers which will help encourage bees and suppress weeds in your garden. Winter's a good time to get some edibles into your garden. You can't go wrong with onions, spinach, beans and some varieties of lettuce. And why stop there? There's heaps of other options too. If you want some advice on what to choose, why not pop into the store and we'll give you all the advice that you need. Don't forget about our perfect plant promise. All our plants, excluding seedlings, are guaranteed for 12 months. If you're not 100% happy, just return the plant with the receipt and we'll refund it. As winter sets in, your veggie patch should still be producing. If you rotate varieties of lettuce, you have something to pick all winter long. Your rhubarb should be nice and ready now for picking. And cabbages, if you planted them 8 to 10 weeks ago, they'll be ready. You'll know when they're nice and firm. Don't neglect your soil over winter. Make sure you're adding plenty of organic matter and don't forget to mulch to protect the roots. Your lawn will be hibernating now, so don't worry about fertilising. Your lawn will also require a lot less water and you may want to think about mowing a little lower to reduce thatch. Finally, watch out for weeds. They don't care what time of year it is, so remove them when they're young. So get out into your garden this June. A bit of hard work now will pay off come springtime. Click here for more gardening advice, or click here to go to the website.